Hello my little love muffins out there, and welcome. In today's video I thought I would do a Valentine's Day inspired look and just hang out with you guys for a little bit. I have these two palettes that I have not touched yet from Glamlite and Itsbel, and I thought this would be a perfect time to use them and create a look with them. But before we get into the video, if you're new here and you like a lot of fun colorful makeup content, please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. I'd love to have you here. But with that being said, let's get into this video. Hey my cuties, happy Valentine's Day if you do celebrate. I'm just in that like cutesy lovey-dovey mood right now because I just love the whole like print design and like packaging on things for Valentine's Day, because I'm just like a sucker for things with like hearts and like pink and red. When I was a little girl, I used to dot like all my eyes with hearts, and I would draw hearts all over my notebooks. Like I was that girl, and I am still that girl. Like I just think it's so cute. So I was like, you know what, I should do like a little Valentine's Day look with these two palettes that I've had for some time now in my collection. I have not used them yet. These are both fairly new. This is the Glamlite Cherry Palette. This is part of their Icee collection. I will swatch it for you guys so you guys can see, but it's pretty much like a pink red monochromatic palette. And I was like, perfect for a Valentine's Day look. And I can't wait to touch it, play with it. It's really cute, and I can't believe it's taken this long to finally like do something with it. And then I have the Flare Collection Remixed palette from Itsbel Cosmetics, and this is of course full of their like beautiful metallics, dual chromes and all that. And I was like, you know what, I want to use this pink shade right here called Morganite. It's like a really light pink one. It looks like it maybe has like a gold shift, but all of these shades are so pretty. But this one was like, this is it. This is what I want to use as a Valentine's Day look shimmer. So I thought I would combine them together, probably use like a lot of mattes in here and create a fun little pink red look. So hopefully you guys will enjoy watching that. But I think I should zoom you guys in and we can just chat and have some fun playing with makeup. Let me get some brushes. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments below. Do you guys have any plans? Do you even celebrate? I know a lot of people are like anti-Valentine's Day because, you know, it's like a consumerism kind of holiday, which it is. I mean, like all the brands try to, you know, be like, hey, buy this for your significant other. You need it so the person in your life feels loved, which I'm not about that. I think it's just a day more of reminding you about love and like just taking that time to appreciate the people in your life, which you should do every day. But sometimes we need reminders, you know, like you get caught up in life and things get crazy and you just need to step back and celebrate love, which I wish we would do all the time. So I don't mind it. Me and my boyfriend don't do like a lot. Like we don't buy each other a bunch of stuff. He'll usually buy me flowers, but we're pretty like low-key when it comes to this day because we buy each other stuff all the time. We like to have date nights all the time. So we don't really like do a big thing for Valentine's Day. Now, if you do, that's fine too. Do you, boo? But anyways, so let me get into this palette. I'm like rambling. I haven't touched anything yet. So then I'm going to go into this Epic shade right here, which is a nice like bright pink matte. I'm going to use that all through the crease. I will link, oh, I had pink on my finger. I will link everything that I have on my face and stuff below in case you want to know what I'm wearing. It's like my foundation and everything. But yeah, so we don't do a lot. We keep it pretty chill. He did buy me flowers already, like on Friday. He bought me lilies, which is my favorite kind of flowers. I just love how they smell. But anyways, I am using this matte just through the crease as my like initial transition shade. It's nicely pigmented. I do like Glamlite's formula. I know some people don't, but I feel like their stuff is pigmented, easy to blend. I love their shimmers. I'm also taking the Epic shade down here too. I did also go out on Friday. It is Sunday when I'm filming this. Like I said, my friend is visiting, which she's actually resting right now. But we did go out and meet up with my coworkers for a Galentine's. It was so fun and cute. There was so many like groups of girls out like with their friends and guys too. And a lot of them like had like all pink on, like they were all coordinated or had like stuff with hearts on it. I thought it was adorable. And then a lot of like the restaurants and bars had like, you know, Valentine's Day themed stuff. And we went to this restaurant that was like pink everything. It was like super Instagrammable. Like they had all the things where you can take photos in front of it. I thought it was adorable and cute. But now I'm gonna go into the shade called Wild Cherry and use that through the crease too. And so we just hung out there. They played music. They, you know, of course had food. I think it's like a taco place. I didn't end up ordering anything because I actually had ate before I went there. But I just thought it was cute. They had good drinks, good vibe, good music. And, you know, you just saw so many girls like taking photos with other friends and stuff. It was cute. I didn't stay out too late. I think I left like at 11. Like, I'm not usually a like club kind of person or like a late night bar person. I'm pretty introverted. I like to spend a lot of time at home. I like to be home at night because sometimes, you know, there's just so much drama out there late at night, and I don't like being around like drunk people that long. And I'm not one to drink pretty heavy, especially if I'm gonna drive. Like, I keep it very safe and very chill. So I think I left at like 11:30. I was like, I'm done. I'm ready to get back in bed. Anyways, I'm gonna go into Treat, which is like a deeper red. And so that's what I did on Friday. And I think that's pretty much it for me and my plans for Valentine's Day. But do you guys like remember, I don't know, like if you're like in my age group or older and stuff, when you would go to school and you would get like the little cards, like the little Valentine's Day cards, like with a candy or it had a lollipop attached to it and you give it to your classmates? Man, I used to love that. I would be so excited to go to school on like Valentine's Day and get like all the like cards with the candies and stuff on it. And I would always want to like give out candies and my mom would go with me to get them. I don't know if they do that anymore. Do they? I feel like life was so much fun when I was like a kid. Like, I don't know. Do kids do that kind of stuff anymore? I think like everything is like a virtual heart now in the way like life is. So now I'm gonna go into the shade called Fruity. It's like a, just a red metallic. And I'm gonna use that on the edge of my little cut crease. And I'm just gonna fuse it in with like the deeper red matte. I'm not being like super precise here. I'm just like creating a pink and red look. Nothing crazy, pretty simple. You could do this like with any palette you have in your collection if you have some pinks and reds in it. So now going into the Flare palette. I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. The Morganite shade in here. Definitely looks like there's a gold shift to it, but I'm gonna pick it up with the brush. I just cleaned it off and I'm gonna just smack it all on the rest of the lid where the concealer is. Oh, that is such a beautiful light pink. It's pulling pink more than anything, but like in person when I look at it in the pan, it definitely has like a gold shift to it. Like right now in the pan it looks gold as I'm looking down at it on the table, but on the eyes it looks so pink. I love this. I think so far that's what I'm gonna do on the lids. And I'm gonna use one more shade from the Glamlite one for the inner corner. It's called Wild Cherry. I think I'm gonna use it with my finger though, because it's really soft, one of those more like creamy, like putty shades. And I'm gonna use my little pinky just so I can have it be like as bright as possible. This is like a white iridescent shade that has like a very like light pink shift to it, which these are like perfect for the inner corner. So I'm just like stamping it right there. I think that's good. I think that's everything I want to use out of all of the palettes. So now I want to do some liner. I'm going to get this Huda Beauty Life Liner Quick and Easy. Put that on really quickly. I'm like terrible at lining my lids and stuff. I'm like really bad at eyeliner, but I try my best. I try every day to get better and better at it, you know? Practice makes perfect. All right, I think this liner is okay. It's good enough, right? So I wanted to go over it with the Doja Cat liner. It's that white one that I've been using in videos, but it's probably gonna turn pink because it's pretty sheer. But I wanted to line the top of the liner with this. So hopefully I do okay. I don't think they sell this anymore. I think the line got discontinued. I mean, you know, since Itsbel Cosmetics feel like they've been like selling all their stuff out. I don't think they sell this anymore. If it is, I'll link it below if it's still there. So I think it's pretty good for the price and everything. You just have to build it up a little bit, but that's it. Okay, I like how that came out. It's not perfect, but I like how it looks. I like the little add of the white on top of that. I've just been getting inspired by so many different looks on Instagram lately that I just want to try different things. You know, sometimes you just get bored doing the same stuff over and over. I'm just gonna go into the Rare Beauty mascara, this little travel size one that I have. I really like this mascara a lot. It really helps make the lashes dramatic. So I'm gonna use that. I don't think I'm gonna go into falsies today. I just don't feel like putting any on. But I mean, like if you're doing something like this and you want falsies, go right ahead. But I'm not going anywhere, so I just don't feel like the need to put on falsies. And I feel like this mascara does a really good job at making like my natural lashes look pretty dramatic. So I think this will be good enough. There we go. Doesn't that do such a good job for my lashes? I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Exit Gel Liner. It's like the only white like pencil that I have for the waterline. I just want to use something white down here. It's going to mix with the red, so it's going to end up coming out pink, which is fine with me. It goes with the look to have like a pink light line down here. And this one's pretty good. Alright, that's it for the eyes. Now I want to go into this Kaleidos lip clay in Fiamma. I think that's how you pronounce the name. It's a red shade. Of course I want it to go in with a red lip. I love this formula. It's so lightweight and like moussey. So I'm not even going to line my lips. I'm just going to go with that. So the lippy looks so good with this look. It's more of a little bit of a warmer red that has like a little bit of pink to it. I think it went really nicely with this look, and that's pretty much everything that I'm gonna do for this. So I'll show you guys up close how it turned out. I mean, it was a super simple, easy look. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit and wrap up this video. So we made it to the end. I know I was talking a lot. I feel like I talked about so much gushy, lovey-dovey stuff, but that's just how I am. I am a softie. I love this kind of stuff, and I really loved how this look turned out, the mix of the pink and the reds, and both of these palettes performed really nicely. Now, of course, I only used a few shades from here and only one from here. I'll have to play with them more, but I really like Itsbel Cosmetics. I really like Glamlite as well, and I love how this lippy looks with this look. I love Kaleidos. Their lip clay formula is so nice. They're really great if you like a more lightweight, moussey kind of texture to your lip products, like almost feels like there's nothing on your lips, then you would probably love those. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video and how my look turned out. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Please let me know in the comments below what you think, what's your thoughts, what are your Valentine's Day plans, what have you been up to? I would love to hear from all of y'all. And if you're new here and you enjoy this video and you like a lot of fun, colorful makeup content, then please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. Also, don't forget to check out the description below. I'll have all the products that I use linked. I will also have other videos of mine you might be interested in, as well as my contact and my other social media platforms. I'm also on Instagram as Breezy Lifestyle and Breezy_Beauty, and I'm also on TikTok as Breezy_Beauty, even though I don't use TikTok that much. I'm trying to. One day I'll figure it out. But that is all my platforms. If you want to check them out, I would really, really love that and appreciate that. But I just hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm sending you guys all so much light and love. But until next time, bye guys.